Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, hope you're all okay, and I am doing a what's in the box video. Haven't done one of these for what feels like ever, but this one isn't beauty related, it's not makeup related, it is like cleaning supplies. I am so excited for this. If you don't know who Mrs. Hinch is, if you've not heard of her, go over to Instagram because she has taken it by storm. She's the new queen of clean, and basically she literally just cleans the house and posts it on Instagram, and I am obsessed. My manager Steph got me hooked on that, so hello Steph if you're watching, and she also told me about this box. Now one of the brands that she uses, Minky, I'll link it all down below. So Minky, you can get them in the shops, you can get them online, but online most of the cloths are sold out because she's been using them. Everyone's like hooked on her, including me. I am one of them, those fangirls. Yeah, so she's been using them, people have been buying them, and they're being sold out. So there's a mystery box where you can possibly get some of these sold out cloths. I am so excited, and yes, I know I'm so sad. Yeah, this is £10.99, postage was 99p. You get about 7 products I think, and 1 free gift. Pretty much sure that's all I need to say. Yeah, so some of these sold out products you cannot get apart from in here if I have got one of the boxes that's got some of these stuff in. So I'm going to stop my yibba yabba and get into it. I'm so excited, I am so sad. So, I'm going to do lucky dip because they're not like individually wrapped and you're shaking. So who else has bought one of these? I know my friend Wendy has bought one of these because I told her about it, so hello Wendy. So yes, the first one I come to is a Minky cloth. This is one of the most traditional ones that she uses. It's like soft on one side and like a scale on the other. I think these are about £2.50. I will put prices on screen so you can add it up to see how much I am actually saving. So this is the Minky cloth, Minky cloth, powerful high density, can't read, microfiber antibacterial cleansing cloth. So good quality, so I am happy with that. The next one is a piece of paper. What's this say? Dear Minky customers, we hope you enjoy your Minky cleaning products as much as we love making them for you. As a thank you for shopping with Minky, we have included a complimentary. Oh, it tells you what it is, so I'm going to come to that when it is. So I'm going to skip past that. This is the free gift. It is a love heart scourer. Oh my god, that's so cute. Valentine's Day is coming up. That is adorable. So it is a love heart scourer. Oh, I am in love with this. That is so cute. So that's your free gift. Next is a 5 traditional dish cloths, strong and hard wearing. So this is a pack of 5 cloths. So is it me or does like these sort of cloths remind you of school? I don't buy them myself, but they just remind me of being at school because like I always remember like what you call them, dinner ladies using them to clean the tables. So technically that's 6 items or 7 items already. So what's next? We have this. 2 microfiber cloths, premium quality. So these are 2 microfiber cloths. I'm not too sure if these are the ones that she calls Kermit. If you know what I mean, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, head over to Instagram. So next, I am dropping them. Next we have, what's this? This is a bathroom sponge cleaner, non-scratch, for delicate surfaces, removes watermarks and grime with ease, made in the UK. Oh my god, that's so cute. So it's literally like a scrubber on that side and a sponge on that side. So not too shabby. I'd recommend. I'd estimate that as like a poundish. I don't know. Then we have some scourers. These are jumbo scourers. Moving on. Powerful cleaning, zinc coated. So 2 scourers. And it's strange because I actually went to the shop to get some of these the other day and I couldn't find them. All I could find was plastic ones, but I do love like the metal ones. Are they metal? I don't know. So next we have sparkle scourers. That word, is it scourers? Scourers. I've said it too often now, and now I don't know what makes sense. So these like rough sponges, and I've got glitter on it. So I've got one shiny mermaid theme one and one unicorn theme one. So they're cute. Next we have, what do we have? This is a Minky Extra Thick 2 Sponge Cloth, super absorbent. So a super absorbent cloth times 2. Next we have I'm dropping them all up. Next we have, this is the last item, and it is a scrubber. This is a dish brush, high quality, robust bristle, soft grip handle. So yes, scrubber, and that is the box empty. Now, perfectly honest, £10.99, I am quite happy with that. As I say, I will go onto the website and put like the pricey thingies on the screen for your viewing measures. I don't know what I'm going to say. So yes, I reckon I have saved, I'm guessing they sell this for £1.50. These could be £2 maybe, so that's £3.50. I reckon these are £4, so £3.50, 4, 5, 6, 7.50. This is about £2.50, I reckon. I've lost my account. Anyway, I'll put it on the screen, you know what I'm on about. But I am so excited because watch out for my next video, or it may not be my next video, but I am doing a kind of 2-parter to this video. I'm so excited to do it. So, I will see you all in my next video. It's a goodbye from me, Matt, and a goodbye from Rainbow Soul. Stay sassy.